Hello, my name is Vipul. I was born and brought up in Pune, Maharashtra itself. I am graduated from Trinity College of Engineering and Research, Pune. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering with the specialization in Information Technology, where I have secured 8.76 as a CGPA. I got to know about Qspiders through my college only. I am an incubation student. I was placed to Qspiders by college itself without taking any charges. After that, I joined Qspiders in 2023 February. It was a smooth process joining over here. It was a smooth process. After I joined, I was attached to a batch called a subject called an SQL, which was taken by Sharad sir. He was a very humble person. He is a very humble person, and he taught us SQL. After that, I got admitted to a batch called subject called in Java. The trainer was Tejas sir. He is a person of he is a visionary person. He actually taught me how to think. That he actually have also gave the main point is he have gave me the dream. I never thought that what should I be in my life, but in one session he told me that in the future there is a person called a Java architect. You should be that person so that you will be most knowledgeable in your core IT field. After that, he taught me that you should always have one language in very depth knowledge, and you should always touch every other single thing like React, Angular, Merge stack, Mean stack, whatever it is. But you should know one language in very depth. After that, he taught me Java in a very good manner. I still remember each and every session, even though we can skip the technical part, but the concept which he has told me or which he has teach me through his experience and through his examples, I can still remember what he has taught me till the date. After that, I joined the Java 8 updates and collections batch of Srikanth sir. He is the man of his words. He got me placed into a company. He is very straightforward person. He won't talk anything much in the class as well. He has always given a reality check that what will be my next phase, and whatever he has said, I have done in my life, or if the things happen in that way in which he has described in future. After that, I joined the subject called as a manual training. It was took by Kedar sir. He is the most humble person I have ever met. Whenever I'll meet him, he will definitely smile. He'll ask me like what I am doing or how the things are going. Do I have any problems? And he is such a knowledgeable person. He has always taught me that never settle for one. Whatever knowledge you have right now, you should always gain more than that. He has taken our mocks and mock interviews till the 10 p.m. and that with the same energy. Means I can still remember his humorous jokes and the kind of person he is, the way he is being with the people who are not successful in their life. Like people treat other people who are very successful with a nice greeting. They'll smile, they'll do everything. But Kedar sir is a person, if you will see him, you will feel like you don't have any depression and anxiety. Throughout his lecture, means being an unplaced student from 1 year something, I used to very depressed. I used to study, I used to do a lot of things, but after getting admitted to his lectures, that ratio was somewhere less. After that, I got more connected with Srikanth sir. He taught me the project, how to do it. The project took me almost 1.5 months. He taught me how to connect all the three technologies, that front end, back end, and database. He took 2 to 3 projects. I was there, and he let us figure out what the things actually we need in IT, how the things means, how to deploy a project, how to go live with a project, how to do each and everything in project, how it works. They have I can still remember that one thing. They have took a project in which everything was according to a company. They have assigned a TL, manager, or developer, tester. Everything was there. They gave us the feeling that I was working in actual project. I used to give we used to take and daily stand-ups, and after that they also took special efforts to get me placed. Completed now, so I am very grateful for the Qspiders that they have taught me a lot of things in my life, and I will be always grateful to the Qspiders. Like no matter what happens or how the things changes in my life, I'll always think of this thing first. I have given interviews outside the Qspiders as well, but the knowledge I have got it from Qspiders only, and I am very grateful. And I don't think so that I will be able to forget it. Means I have completed my whole degree in 4 years, as well as diploma for 2 years. I don't remember any of the subject till now. I'll be very honest, but whatever sessions I have attended in Qspiders, whether it is of Srikanth sir, my SQL trainer Kedar sir, Tejas sir, Nirbhay sir, and my advanced Java sir, I can still remember each and every lecture. This is the power of that I think which we won't get anywhere in other institutes or anywhere in the world. Not in my college as well. I have paid like 2 lakhs rupees to my college, 3 lakh rupees for my diploma, everything, but I have paid nothing here. Until now, I can remember each and everything and each and every lecture till the date. And I think this is most, what I can say, this is the most valuable thing which I can still, which I will be remembering through my whole life. So that's it about my journey, and I'm thank you for the Qspider. Thank you everyone for everything. Thank you for getting me placed into a good company. A special thanks to Srikanth sir as well. Thank you so much.